Hello everyone, we are at Cars and Coffee. I have not made a video in a while, but this is going to be an easy show to film. Good cars, so you know what, good quality content for y'all. It's not going to have any cinematics, not going to have any takeoffs, it's just covering the show. If you want to put it in ×2 or you want to skip through it just to see what's at this Cars and Coffee, then go ahead and do that. If you want to watch the whole thing in ×1 and spend like a good 30 minutes of your time watching the show, I hope you enjoy. I personally love the way this looks. Dude, check out the engine through the back. Gotta love a Ferrari. May not be the most attractive driver, but look at these babies. Classy. I like it. C63 AMG. I see something good. Cars and Coffee. There's like a grape tree right here. I don't even know what this is. Check out the ride there. Woo-wee! So I'm gonna go through this show from a first person point of view, so it may look interesting to y'all. Like I like some of the janky stuff, that's pretty cool. The Nissan section. Oh, they got forged carbon fiber on their grill. On that lip, see it? Gotta love it. By the way, epic. It's lowered. Look at this. I could just make that my screensaver alone. Subish. Drop a thumbs up if you're a car person. Holy crap. Holy crap. You already know we're gonna get a rear end view. Don't worry, guys. Whoa. I'm not even gonna do the cinematics. This is pulled up. Well, okay, I guess there is cuts, but so I like the old trucks.
We'll see y'all later. Okay.
Right-hand drive Supra. That's pretty legit right there. Oh, look at the license plate. That's pretty good.
Look at the gauges in there.
Check out the wood bed. Clean, clean, clean. Chevrolet, clean. I like it. Oh Lord, look at this. Jeez. You gotta get the booty in. See the wheels. Okay, white looks good. The white looks good for sure. I haven't seen white yet. All right, new color considerations. Did not see the white before. Is that an Alpine? Like an old school. Holy crap. You got the knob to slab on. Look at this. Ooh. Pretty green. Next to it, definitely not stealing the thunder, but very pretty nevertheless. Wow. Dude, holy shit. Look at this one. Tell me that's not amazing. Fox body, very clean. Very clean Fox body. I would take this any day. Isn't that cute? MG. That's a hunk of meat. Doggo.
That's the dream, bro.
The bipolar. I can't see half of it. I mean, I can see one half, but not the other half. Oh, that's an epic color. Yellow stitching. I think honestly that takes the cake for Corvette color for the new 2020. There. Bro, that's crazy. Leave it in the below. Oh. Hey, bike man. My favorite car here by far. That's so cool, bro. Look at the interior. Oh my gosh. Dude, I need this. What is this? What? I did not. What is this thing, bruh? Very good. Dots in here. Very pretty. Wow, that's actually nice. I mean, more to come. Ooh. Cruising. That's sick.
Mitchy, we're looking for you, pal.
GT 500, my guy. GT 500. Sunny gun's cute. California.
Really? How far? Okay. Yeah.
Clean. Also clean. Even more clean. Very pretty Gallardo. Or Alright, so I kind of got tired of filming. I'm not going to film all these cars. They're pretty neat, but you know, dime a dozen still. Entire one. Man, that's an epic car. Ooh, okay, this is new. No. Yes. Okay, that's pretty epic with the Corvette. Okay, yeah, that's definitely worthy. But yeah, so this is kind of wrapping up the show. Hello, this is your Shadow Lord, Total Redline.